one question from Raffles Girls Primary, P6 Prelim paper in 2020, question number 27 of paper 1. Now, note that this question has also appeared in the PSLE before, and the strategy that we are using to solve for this question is the grouping method. If you have watched our previous episodes, you would have seen me applying this strategy in episode number 7 for the Henry Park angles question, and also in episode 5 for the ACS area question. So this strategy is very commonly tested in visual topics like area, angles, and in this case, perimeter. So let's take a look at how we can apply the strategy to this question. Karim bought 1.8 meters of copper wire. She cut some of the wire to bend into the shape as shown in the figure below. So the question wants you to find how much of the copper wire was left. To find the length of the copper wire that is left, we will need to find out how much of the wire is used to make this figure. So let's look at the information that we are given. In this figure, there are 6 equilateral triangles. And if you look at the diagram here, you can see that the top and bottom triangles are of the same size, and there are 3 different sizes in this diagram. And then the next information that we are given is that the length of AB is 24 cm. So always make it a habit to label the length given 24 cm. Now, since we are given this 24 cm, do you think we can use 24 to divide by 1, 2, 3 parts to find each of the part? The answer is no, because each of these triangles are different in size, so we cannot use 24 to divide by 3. Then, how do we make use of this 24 cm that is given? Now, note that each of this triangle here is an equilateral triangle. So we know that each of the length will be the same. So we can label the length to be A for the smallest triangle. And since for the next one, it's a different size, we're going to use different alphabet to represent it. We can use B. And then for the largest triangle, we can use C to represent it. So C. And remember just now, we were given that the length of AB is 24. So that will mean that we can indicate that A plus B plus C is 24 cm. So remember just now, we wanted to find the length of the wire that is used to make this figure. We can see that in the diagram. To make this figure here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 A's, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 B's, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 C's. So to find 5A, 5B, and 5 C's, we can use, first you need to understand the grouping concept. We know that one group of A, B, and C makes 24. So in order for us to find 5 groups of A, B, and C, we can use 24 to multiply by 5. And that gives us 120. Now note that Karim started with 1.8 meters of copper wire at first. So we can convert this 1.8 meters to cm by multiplying it by 100. And that gives us 180. So now that we know that she started with 180 centimeters, we can use 180 centimeters to take away the 120 centimeters that is used to make this shape. And we will get the answer to be 60 centimeters. So 60 centimeters is the length of the copper wire that is left.